2018 Toyota Highlander XLE. I'm going to show you real quick how to change out your engine air filter. This is under the hood. Air filter housing box is right here. There's two clips here, two tabs, one here and one in the back here. And just gently lift this up. If you want, you can take this out all the way, but it's going to come out this it's going to come out the notch, this piece here that goes in. It's going to come out there, so you got to make sure that seats in there before you close it back, and it seals up properly, so because it's going to suck air inside. Just lift this up gently. This is a brand new car, so the filter doesn't need to be replaced, but I'm just showing you in the future if you have to do it. That's the filter right here. As you can see, this is a filter from the dealer, and this side goes down, and make sure this fits around the edge. So I'm going to lift this up gently and just slide this back under here. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. Okay, it sits in there properly, and then you want to put this back, top cover back on. Make sure it's firmly seated, and then you clip it on back like this. Like that. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, and leave a comment in the comment box below. Give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.